Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see the battery life percentage on the top right on your Nintendo Switch. So mine says 100% because I have it docked and charging right now. But it's a lot easier to know how much you have left in terms of just battery life with the percentage turned on. So it is good to turn this on. So go to System Settings right here and select this. Let's scroll on down and go to System and then go right and go down. And we are looking for console battery percentage. Turn this on. The console battery will be displayed on the home menu as a percentage. So if I turn this off, you just kind of have to guess, and you don't really know what your battery really is at. So it could be at 100, it could be at 90%. Just go ahead and turn this off or on, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.